next up, this one is titled, I'm Still My Mom Credit Card to buy Robux. Their grammar's not that great. You probably should have stole your mom's credit card to buy a dictionary.
Made him want to throw up, and he did. How do you feel about that?
I don't know. Are you sure he's not throwing up because he's pregnant with SpongeBob's kid?
I didn't think you'd call. I got a great one. I got a banger for you. My mom had sex with me when I was 12. That's right. That's right. Wait a minute. You're not Morgs? You're a cancer cell.
But just before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel or you'll get 5 years bad luck.
Morgan, I don't want bad luck. I'm gonna go and subscribe.
But aren't you already subscribed?
Nah, your channel sucks.
Morgan Hudson, that weirdo from YouTube. I may have subscribed to him only because he's an idiot.